Hello guys, so here we present 10 most visited country in the world. At the 10th position, United Kingdom, 36 million visitors. Afternoon tea, posh essence and of course the Queen have built Britain into an image of refined elegance and made it in this top 10 of the most visited countries in the world. There is also the moody Scotland and Wales and down to earth Northern Ireland. Combining the historical sites of local flavor under the United Kingdom banner, we have ourselves a myriad of landing points. Travel out of central London and other major cities to engage with ancient soil. Great Britain's outskirts below with history trajectory pieces together by Neolithic stone circles, crumbling castles and forts, Roman baths and New Age museums. At the 9th position, Thailand, 38 million visitors. The spiritual and celestial guide many of Thailand's cultural practices, prophesying the intertwining of sacred spaces and nature. Thailand's rural heartland comprises of deep caves, majestic waterfalls, beautiful rice terraces and oscillating hills. Attractions of Thailand are Wat Pho Grand Palace, Chiang Mai, Erawan National Park, Phuket region. At the 8th position, Germany, 39 million visitors. Germany may be remembered as the set of horrific tragedy, but it is also the birthplace of great thinkers, inventors and creatives who ushered in the modern era. From the contemporary architectures by Frank Gehry and Delia Lipskind to lofty museums and automobile factories, you can track the country's cultural footprints. Cast your eyes beyond the Romanesque and Baroque build of Berlin, Munich and Hamburg to see the swank path into rural Germany. The valleys unfold into imposing forests and vast vineyards reaching towards northern dunes and chilly Alps. Stretch your senses, eyes and tongues to taste Germany's regional diversity. Attractions of Germany are Pergamon Museum, Zwinger, Kölner Dome, etc. At the 7th position, Mexico, 41 million visitors. Vivid and steamy Mexico can barely contain the life of its people. Underground artistic moments have also brought dance and street art to the fore. Beyond the city's endless cultural riches are also eye-catching jungles, volcanoes, deserts and coast. Mexico's boundless nature offers adventures for both hikers and divers. Fiesta-loving in crowds and philosophical in the quiet, the local community is empathetic hosts with fierce pride in their country. It is this pride and expressive nature that allowed for architectural triumphs. Attractions of Mexico are Julium, Palacio de Bellas Artes, Edna, Oaxaca City. At the 6th position, Turkey, 46 million visitors. Sultry Turkey smolders with desert heat and sun-beaten ruins, backed by the entrancing charm of bustling cities. On the way are magical landscapes that range from shining rock formations to glittering lakes and olive groves, Kekar Mountains, Patara Beach and Lake Igirdir, only few of its lyrical rural scapes. Explore these settings via canyoning, kayaking, paragliding, hiking and more adventurous means. They are lessons in the physical and cultural and make Turkey one of the most visited places in the world. Attractions of Turkey are Topkapi Palace, Suleymaniye Mosque, Hagia Sophia, Bergama Acropolis, Caves of Heaven and Hell, Nemrut Dagi National Park. At the 5th position, Italy, 62 million visitors. The arts come to mind when we think of Italy, the 5th most visited country in this world. Heritage sites are the norm and not minority. Remnants of ancient Rome and subsequent empires left in form of ruins, archaeological sites, churches and manors. Attention to aesthetics translates into the every details too. Italy is home to some of the biggest fashion minds. On the more natural spectrum is extraordinary geological diversity. From the turquoise coral reefs to icy Alps, Italy flourishes in blues and green. Attractions of Italy are Roman Forum, Tuscany's vineyards, ruins of Pompeii, Amalfi Coast, St. Peter's Basilica, Duomo. At the fourth position, China, 63 million visitors. It is impossible to capture neither China's vastness nor the breadth of its existence. It is this indelible quality that lures you in over and again. When you've had your fill of modern malls and artifact-filled museums, spare time for China's magnificent landscapes. Choose between Yangshua's winding rivers, Hong Kong's concrete junglescape, hunting Mongolia deserts. Attractions of China are Forbidden City, Great Wall, Li River, Lishan's Grand Buddha, etc. At the third position, United States, 80 million visitors. America has always been a popular travel destination due to its sprawl of metropolis and small town charms. Last year, it welcomed a rounded down number of 82 million visitors. With travel patterns trending towards city hopping and road tripping, America's endless highways are a siren's call. There is then musical Austin and free-spirited Portland, a San Francisco as dynamic as its coastal waves, and Miami which entertains with beaches and nightlife. There is also the quiet heat of the Grand Canyon, the miles of lush rainforests and country lanes, and when you tune into the radio, the jazz, country, hip-hop, rock and pop keep you company through this mishmash of sights. Attractions of America are New York City, Yellowstone National Park, Grand Canyon, New Orleans, Miami beaches. At the second position, Spain, 83 million visitors. Passion flares in Spain, a country crafted for the good life. Maybe that's why Spain wins the second place for the most visited countries in the world. Embark on an epic road trip looping from Barcelona to Madrid. Glimpses of Spain's enduring landscapes pass by like a photographer's reel. Gather around the Gothic quarters of Barcelona and browse the experimental works of Gaudí before taking off for the mysterious Alhambra in Granada or the flamenco halls of Seville. Attractions of Spain are La Familia Sagrada, Real Alcázar, Mallorca's beach, etc. At the first position, France, 89 million visitors. France is the most visited country in the world, with a record-breaking of 89 million visitors in 2019. Patched up with idyllic villages and romantic cities, France wears its culture in both iconic landmarks and ordinary settings. Few have the audacity to gild everything in gold, but the country's noble castles, villas and cathedrals full of ostentatious decor with a nonchalance attributed to its long centuries of royal history. I hope guys you liked our video. Please subscribe my channel.